Problem number 32. A square pyramid 35 mm side resting on one of its corner A, and it is having a height of 60 mm, and it is resting on one of its slant edge. When corner comes, it is resting on one of its slant edge. If edge comes, it is resting on one of its slant triangular face. So that in second view, you can take this or this. A, O is on XY line and this second position, and that axis is inclined at an angle of 45 degree. Means whenever axis is inclined in the solid, we will get locus line. Here there is no appears word is there, because of that we will get locus line. We will explain with the help of sketch. Now 35 mm side resting on one of its corner, and this is O01, right, having height of 60 mm. First we will draw this first position. $60 height is there. We'll take height 60 mm, and keeping it this point, we'll cut this by 60 height. Now in this pyramid, inside these also made dark because it's a pyramid. When you are weaving from the top side, all the corners should be joined to the O point. Now from this it is O dash, O1 dash, and this point is called as O dash, and this point is called as C dash, right, and this point is called as A dash. Now when you are viewing from this side, B is visible, D is not visible, so that B dash, D dash is inside the bracket. Now we'll draw the base with the dark lines. So these all the projector from all the points should be joined to the XY line. Only axis line will be extended with a height of 60 mm. It is given in the problem, and it will be drawn with axis line. Small dash, big dash indicated by axis line, and all the points are joined to the O point. Right, because of OB is edge, O01 is not visible, so we'll make this also dark. Because of OB is the edge, this OB edge overlapping O01, because of that axis line is not visible. Now these are called, it is resting on one of its slant edge, resting on one of its slant edge. Now if it is resting on corner, corner means slant edge. If it is resting on corner means it is slant edge. This is called as slant edge. If it is resting on one of its triangular face, one of its slant triangular face means it is resting on one of its edge. So that in the problem what they will give, it is resting on one of its slant edge, means you should draw all the prism, all the pyramid in terms of corner. If it is resting on one of its slant triangular face, then you have to draw with the help of right side edge. Now it is resting on one of its slant edge, because of that it is resting on one of its corner. If it is resting on slant triangular face, then it is resting on one of its edge. Now we'll mark C dash point here. We'll mark C dash point, and we'll cut the distance C dash to O dash, means resting on one of its slant edge. We'll take this distance, that is C dash to O dash distance. We'll cut on XY line. on XY line we have to draw arc. Right. Now this point is called as O dash. Right. Now we got C dash and O dash. Right, we got C dash, O dash. Now we'll take this distance, that is C dash to A dash distance. See here, I am taking C dash to A dash distance. From C dash point I will draw arc. With thin line we will draw arc. Then we'll take distance from O dash to A dash distance. Right, from O dash to A dash distance. Then by keeping at O point, we'll cut this arc. There you will get A dash point. Now we'll join C dash to A dash. Right. Then we'll join O dash to A dash point. Another point is left, O1 dash or B dash D dash point. Now we'll take distance. Right. We'll cut from C dash A dash. Or can take these distances are same. Or you can draw from A point, it should be same. And join O dash to O1 dash. Here we'll get O1 dash and also it is B dash into D dash. Right. Now we'll draw the projectors from all the points vertically parallel to this line. So here you will get O point without dash, and here we will get O1 point, and this is A point, B point, C point, D point, and give the arrow marks. Now when you are weaving from this side, the same procedure for all the solids. OC is away from the observer, so line joining to OC is dash line. Sorry, this point is A, this point is C. C point it is, and here D, B, and it is A. Now we'll join dash line with C, and then join all other point. When you are weaving from this side, all the base is visible. We'll make all the borderline dark. and then we'll join to O point. And also OA. OA is overlapping OC till this, then other point remains dash. Now axis is inclined 45 degree, so that we'll get locus line. Now we'll take this as reference. Reference will take, and then we'll take 45 degree. We'll mark here and we'll take 45 degree. Right, this is 45 degree. Now we'll mark here as O point. This O I have marked, and we'll cut it by height. The same procedure which I have solved in other problem whenever axis is inclined. We'll take height 60 millimeter and we'll cut it by 60 mm, and then we'll draw parallel to this line, locus line we have to draw. Then we'll cut locus line by O1 distance. This is the O1 distance, right? By keeping at O point, we'll cut this, and then we'll join these 2 points. We'll extend here and we'll measure angle. It is around 50 degree. Right, around 50 degree we should get. Right, this angle should be 50 degree. You should get 50 degree after construction, and this point is called as O1. Now we'll construct this complete part here. We know O and O1. By knowing 2 points we can construct anything. First we'll take this distance OC. So on either side it will say, right, we'll draw arc. On either side we'll take and draw arc. So it has changed. We'll take one more time distance OC. And we'll extend this line. Here we'll get C point, here we'll get A point, and then by knowing other 2 points you can construct. OA distance I have taken, or you can take OC distance, right? So both the distances are same on either side. So we'll get B point, D point, and then we'll join all the points. And then all points will be joined to O point. OA point is continuous, and then this part is dash. This is how we have to construct third position. Then we'll draw the vertical projectors parallel to this line. From D point, D is here. Next from C, C is on XY line. A point, A is here. B point, so B is also here, and then O point, O is on XY line. So this is O dash point we got here. If you want, you can also take O1 point, it is overlapping. You will get O1 point, 1 dash. This is D dash point, sorry, C dash point. So this is C dash point, this is O point, and then we'll draw the horizontal projectors parallel to XY line. Here we'll get A dash point, right? This is D dash point, this is B dash point, C dash, A dash, all the points we got. Now we'll join each other. Before that, when you are weaving from this side, the point which is away from the observer is OD. The line joining to OD points are dash lines. Other than that, all the points are continuous. Then we'll join all the points. OC point, then we'll join these points. Right, this very small difference you will get in this construction, and give the arrow marks for all. This is how we have to construct. Whenever in the question a pyramid is resting on one of its slant edge. Slant edge means it should be resting on corner, right? Slant edge, and axis appears is not there in the problem. If appears is not there, you will get locus line. Thank you.